Okay, lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Well, she climbed on the bed, and that means it gets a plus from her because she doesn't normally do that. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a pet bed. So this is a memory foam bed. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. So this is vacuum sealed. So first you want to go ahead and open this up. Now this is just zippered. So you're going to go ahead and unzipper this. So it will take 24 hours for it to fully be perfect form, but you will start to see it fill up as you are now right away. But there are, as you see, these different pillows, we're going to call them, and they just stick in their correct spots. Okay, so this is the main one. So this is going to go under for the main area, and you're just going to stick this inside. Again, allow for 24 hours for the whole thing full sized. And once you got that in there, you're going to go ahead and zipper that one up then, because that one is done. Now we're going to go ahead and do the sides. So you want to see which are going to be which. So these are longer pieces. So the longer pieces are going to go long, while these go on the left and right. Emma, are you excited? Are you excited about your new bed? Yeah! Okay, come on. Okay, lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Well, she climbed on the bed, and that means it gets a plus from her because she doesn't normally do that.